The Supreme Court today extended the interim bail granted to activist Teesta Setalvad till the next hearing on July 19th. The court is hearing the activist's petition against the Gujarat High Court order that asked her to surrender in a case of alleged fabrication of evidence to frame innocence in 2002 post-Godhra riots case. The High Court had rejected her plea for regular bail. Earlier on July 1st, the Supreme Court had protected her from arrest and put the High Court order on hold for now. The three-judge bench hearing the matter late on Saturday night had questioned why the activist was denied time to challenge against the High Court order. Leader of Ajit Pawar faction of the Nationalist Congress Party, Praful Patel, on Wednesday claimed the support of the bulk of the party's legislators, stating there was no need to worry. Arriving to attend a party meeting called by Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar in Bandra, Patel told reporters, "We have everyone with us. There is no need to worry." Ahead of the meeting, Ajit Pawar, along with other party leaders, unfurled the NCP flag at the Mumbai Education Trust, Bandra. NCP leader Chhagan Bhujbal also said that they have the numbers. "We will see the number of leaders sitting in on the stage and at other places. Supporters are signing papers and they are asked from where they have come. The exact number of leaders can only be seen on the stage," Bhujbal said. The crisis in NCP is escalating, with two factions calling separate meetings today in an apparent show of strength. After remaining shut for over a couple of months because of ethnic clashes, schools reopened across Manipur on Wednesday. Though attendance in most institutes was extremely low on the first day, students, parents and guardians welcomed the state government's decision to restart the classes. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had on Monday announced to reopen schools for class 1 to 8 from July 5th. Violence in Manipur still persists, despite the government and Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma's assurance that normalcy is returning to the state. A mob tried to loot weapons from an India Reserve battalion at Khangabok in the Thobal district of Manipur on Tuesday, but the attempt was thwarted by security forces. The Spear Corps of the Indian Army said that one rioter was killed while a few others were injured during the failed attempt. It said that the mob had also laid roadblocks to prevent the movement of reinforcements. However, the situation was brought under control with the help of additional columns of Assam Rifles and Rapid Action Force. A heinous and shameful incident was reported in Madhya Pradesh which has left the country in shock. Pravesh Shukla, an influential local leader in Siddhi district of Madhya Pradesh, was caught on camera urinating on a tribal man. Shukla was arrested late on Tuesday night after Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan ordered the invocation of the stringent National Security Act against him following an online outrage. An FIR was filed against Shukla under sections 294 Obscene Acts and 504 Intentional Insult to Provoke Breach of the Peace of the Indian Penal Code and under the SC/ST Act. This comes after the video of the incident went viral on social media, with many people calling for action against Shukla. The video was only recovered by the police on Tuesday, 6 days after the incident took place in Madhya Pradesh's Siddhi district. According to police, several teams had been dispatched which managed to track Shukla, who had allegedly been changing his locations.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.